ding, 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 ding. Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here's where I'll be showing you how to style a simple bandana easily, how to wear that bandana like Ice Cube, step by step. Wow, without further ado, just grab your bandana and let's do this. Also, make sure that you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. You can tell me in the comment section what you'd like me to do next for you. You can tell me in the comment section just something, just talk to me. What color is your bandana? All that, just feel free. You can also talk to me via my socials, that is at mbere Moreen. What you need is a bandana, your hair, and maybe a flat surface, which is not a must. You can always do it just somewhere where you place it, and yeah, that's it's just that easy, and that's why I am here for you. So here is my bandana.
Wow!
Right here. Remember, this is how to wear a bandana like Ice Cube. Woo! And we have done so many tutorials. You should check those ones out after this. So with a bandana like this, we're going to be using the side that is not the opposite side, which you call the inner side. Tiogari. That is in my language to say that it is inside out. Ogari. I love teaching you new things every time. That's why you have to subscribe. So the ogari side is the inside side, and it's the side that should be facing towards the front. And if you have placed your bandana like this on a flat surface, like that, the ogari side, the inner side that is, it should be facing to the top. Anyway, it should be facing to the top, and then you should pick one tip and take it to the other. One tip and take it to the other. Mind you, by one tip, I don't mean this tip and this tip, because if you do it this way, you'll be having a totally different shape from what we are aiming for today, you see. And this will be a totally different bandana style, of which probably we have done it. So check out my other uploads on how such styles come out to the very end. Well, in this case, what we're doing with a bandana like this, you're picking this tip and then bringing it to the end right here. This tip to this end, like that. To form something like that. To bringing something like that. With the something like that, you'll notice that from here to this side, it is equal. But what determines the size of that is the size of your hair, the size of your head, and me. Definitely, because I'm the one guiding you. Right? We're forming something like a samosa at this moment. What is a samosa actually? Samosa, they're cooked using baking flour, and then on the you form like a pocket. Sorry, I'm going off topic for a moment, but I love educating you and bringing you closer to my space of how we do things. So what you're doing is you're getting the baking flour, and then it forms like a small pocket. You form a small pocket like this one, and then on the inside you put meat inside. You can put in what else? You can put in potatoes, you can put in cabbage, you can put in dengos, and they usually, I'm just welcoming you to my culture. Don't walk away. We are continuing with the video. Not actually my culture, but my environment and how we do things on this other side. So on the inside, they are usually kept. I've told you, samosas are pockets made of baking flour, whereby inside they are kept meat, cabbage, or potatoes, or what else? Dengu. Dengu is green grams. You can do that to add in some taste, and then they're deep fried in oil, hot oil, and then they're very sweet. Actually, let me just write down the name for you here, and you can Google what samosas are. Have you tried one? Or maybe you call them in a you refer to them in a different name. Well, someone told me, girl, reduce that talking. I was like, now how do I stop talking to the people I love? That person is you. How do I stop sharing my world with you? I cannot stop that. So let's continue. So up to this point, we have it up to there, that size, but I want it to be a little big, and meaning that if I want it to be a little bigger, what I'll be doing is pulling this inner side a little bit to the top, like that, to have something of that size. Or the moment that you are pulling it from this tip to the other tip, you just do it a little bit. Instead of letting it reach to this end, you just let it reach a little bit up to there. And then you get yourself something like that. That is the same thing that we had gotten, right? Samosa, samosa, samosa. I know this one is a big samosa. Yeah. So the next thing we need is to fold. You see, this is the inner side, and then this is the shorter tail. Let's call this long tail, short tail. This is the shorter tail. You turn it like this, and if you're placing it looking to the top, you turn it to the top like this. The shorter tail to be lying down, and then the longer tail to be lying on top. And if you're doing it like this, let the shorter tail be looking at you, and then do this next step. And by there, up to that point, like this video, please just like this video, leave a comment, share it out, and just make sure you subscribe. Be added to my list of subscribers, please. So what you do next is just here, you fold it like this. There's something we want to get in the end of the day, like that. You fold it like that a little bit, okay? That is how it looks. So the next thing is placing it on our heads. Let me turn like this, because I need to place this thing, the shorter tail, I have to place it onto my head. So what you'll actually do is just turn the way you're holding it, like this. You turn it, you hold it now like this, so, and then place it onto your head like that. So from this side, this is how we look like. From this other side, this is how we look like. It seems like I have done a very big one compared to my head size, so let us reduce it. I told you what determines this is your hair, yes, the size of your hair and the size of your head. So I'll just reduce it a little bit, like that. And then go to the next step. Hold. I'll fold it like that, and then I'll place it on my head, and then place it on my head. I don't know how is yours going. Huh? How are you going about it? So like that. Like that, and then now it's time to make that note. Remember, I want these, you see these lines being seen, and then this one is then placing here. Remember to make sure that you are doing it the right way, like that. So we now do the knotting. The knotting is this one, like this. You push it in like that, and then out, and then out. We need to do like 2 knots. so that it doesn't come out. Well, I think it's already coming out well. So the next thing is we are going to hide these ears, these edges of the bandana. And this one, because you said we want this thing to look like this, we tack it on the other side. And while doing the knot, make sure that you're doing it in a manner that you're not hurting yourself. And wow, voila, look how, okay, don't worry about my earrings, although they're supposed to be hidden right there. Yeah, so like that is just how he does it. Although he brings it to the front, even the shape of your hair determines how a certain tutorial is going to come out. So you have it like that. You get me like that. So guys, I don't know how it went for you. Talk to me in the comment section. Make sure that you like this video, share it out, tell a friend, and watch my other uploads right here. Okay, I don't know what's up with my ears. These earrings, they want to be seen, they want to show off. So it's easy, just like that. So that is our tutorial of the day. Remember, we have done so many tutorials. You should check them out, and also check out my socials. It's mbere Moreen. So if you have earrings that are disturbing you, or just get them out, remove them, pluck them out. So yeah, I love the outcome. Tell me what you think about it. I'm seeing something here. You got me like that. Which my other clothes right there. This one. 8.